We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print your supply status page on a Brother MFC7840w. So the first thing that you need to do, there's a button right here, it says reports. Go ahead and click that. And then you want to go all the way down until you see your user settings, and then you're going to hit OK. It says user settings printing. Then it's going to go ahead and print your supply status page. You can find useful information such as what percentage of life you have remaining on your drum and toner, and then it'll also tell you how many pages you've printed on this specific toner. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.